here at Computers Plus, we got some scary savings for you if you need a laptop or desktop. Follow me and I'll show you what we have here. Right here, I got this awesome Dell. This is an 8th generation Dell. It's great if you need something light, small, and just for you. This is an awesome laptop we have here at Computers Plus. Don't forget about some of our accessories here at Computers Plus. 2 great locations. What do we have here? Oh, rental. Oh, no scary thoughts, no scary prices, just great, affordable, flexing pricing here at Computers Plus. Now, don't forget about our Halloween costume contest. What's over there? See? Follow me. Oh, this is an awesome Mac Pro 2019. If you need to do any video or any music or any graphic design, this is what you may need.